Hey, this is Blaine with SFBtraders.com, and I'm looking at stocks and watch here for April the 25th. First one up is BCRX. Nice breakout today. This thing should continue higher. Hopefully, it opens weak, relatively weak around 2, and then breaks through today's high to push towards that 220 mark, which was the high from earlier in April. That'd be your first target, and if 220 breaks, then I wouldn't be surprised to see it continue towards 240. So I like this thing for a potential day trade and as a swing trade, depending on how it goes. We'll just play it by ear and see what it gives us in the morning. I'll discuss this more in the trading room as it goes. CUR, another little bit of a downtrend breakout here. As you can tell, the highs from December slowly trended lower. Well, it finally broke through that line today. I took some long at 124, looking to swing this thing higher as it heads back toward possibly that 140 resistance, and maybe even higher towards the highs from back in December. We'll just have to play it by ear on this one as well, see what it gives us. ZLC, I'm liking this for the bottom breakout over about 445. If it can do that, then I wouldn't be surprised to see it push towards 480, which has acted as support and resistance for quite a while now. As you can tell, it was support back in November and then acted as resistance back in January before it popped again towards 520. So this will be a pretty strong level right there around that 480 mark. ACTV, nice breakout through 5 today, alerted in the trading room. Looking for follow through over that high, today's high. Should get a push towards 550 or 560 if it continues. Maybe even 6 if you decide to swing it. Just depends on your risk tolerance there. And obviously, if this 5 mark doesn't hold up, then that would be your stop loss area there. GPRE, and watching this on the daily chart for a breakout here as well. I think if we can break through these highs from March, then we should continue higher, possibly towards 13 or 1350. Just a guess, no guarantee that it gets there, so be sure to sell on the way up if you take it. Stop loss being around 12 or 1180 if you try. Let's have to see what the volume does from here. LQDT, a little bit higher price, but I like this chart as the 35 break, which were those highs in February and March from the gap down that it had in end of January there. Looks like it has room towards 38 or 40. Just depends on how long you're willing to hold there and your risk tolerance, basically. So, as a day trade, definitely be watching dips and bullish intraday setups to take it long. And any crazy parabolic spike, then might be one to take it short. So we'll just have to play with it. I always keep my options open and just play what the market gives me in general anyway. So, but nonetheless, keep LQTD on your watch list since it's trying to break this 35 mark. BYD, Boyd Gaming, nice breakout today. Alerted this fairly early in the trading room this morning. I think this might even gap up a little bit. And if it does, then watch the first dip or first high of day break, take it long. And if it gaps up, then well, that was the plan really. If it gaps up, that's which I think it's going to do. Just watch those two areas. I think it's still got at least a morning push in it. If not, then that 11 area is going to be support slash resistance. So over under, and then it'll be toast. So watch out for that as well. If that 11 can't hold in the morning, it might be ready to crack back down towards 10. So again, all my trades are just based on what they give me during the day, and this is just a watch list. So if you want the real-time trade alerts, what I'm actually doing, then get in my trading room, sfbtraders.com. And I'm hosting actually I'm letting some people check out the trading room for free on Friday, so you can email me at blaine@sfbtraders.com and request to get on that list for free access on Friday. So there's my top watches there for Thursday. I'll see you guys in the trading room.